Good morning boys and girls, and welcome to day 2 of our Read Write Ink videos for this week. Today we're going to be doing our thread finger spelling with our new sound that we've been learning. So you will need your jotter and a nice sharp pencil. Now boys and girls, who can remember the first set 2 sound we have learnt this week? What sound have we been learning? That's right. A. 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 And it's made up of 2 letters, but with 1 sound. What 2 letters make up the sound A? Who can tell, Miss Brown? That's right. It's A. Yeah. Yeah. A. Just like that. Yeah. A. Well done. Now we're going to see if we can spell some of our A words using our thread fingers. Now the first word, boys and girls, is day. Day. How many thread fingers does the word day have? D-A, day. Thinking time. Day. 1, 2, 3, show me your fingers. You should be showing me 2 thread fingers. Let's pinch the sounds together. D, A, D. Your turn. D, D. I wonder if you can write that down on your own. D, D. 2 thread fingers. Remember what our A sound is made up of? Write it down. Okay, our first sound is D, 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 D. Round the dinosaur's bottom, up his tall neck and down to his feet. D, A. Well done. A and yeah. And remember to underline our special friend. Let's check to see if we've got it right. D, A, D. Your turn. D, D. Well done. Good job. Our next word. Oh, we forgot to tick or fix. Silly Miss Brown. If you got it correct, I would like you to tick or fix. Now remember, if you got it slightly wrong or you've made a little mistake, don't worry, don't rub it out, just write it correctly underneath, okay? Now we can move on to our next word, Miss Brown. Our next word is play. Play. The boys and girls in our class like to play. 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 How many thread fingers does play have? 1, 2, 3, show me fingers. 3 thread fingers. Let's pinch together. P-L-A. Play. Can you pinch on your own? Play. 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 See if you can write it down on your own. Play. first sound, boys and girls, is P. Well done. Down the pirate's plate and over his face. L. P. L. P. L. A. Made up of 2 letters. A and yeah. Well done. Remember to underline our special friend. Let's check to see if we've got it right. P. L. A. Play. Your turn. Play. Play. Super work. Okay, let's check and see if it's right. Tick for P. Tick for O. Tick for A. You can tick or fix your own work. Remember, if you've made a little mistake, write it correctly underneath. P-O-A. Play. Okay, our final word for today is say. Say. How many thread fingers does say have? Some thinking time. 1, 2, 3. Show me fingers. 2 thread fingers. Let's pinch together. A. Say. Your turn. Say. Say. Write it down. Keep saying it in your head to help you. And remember, 2 thread fingers. Say. Okay, boys and girls. What is our first sound? Slither down the snake. What's our second sound? A. Well done. A, made up of A and yeah. Let's check. A. Say. Your turn. Say. Say. Tick or fix, boys and girls. Well done. We have learned to write some of our A words. If you'd like to practice some more of your A words, you will find a list in Google Classroom under Read Write Ink. Remember to take a photograph of your finished work as well. This is day 2 of your reading as well. So you are reading book 4, I think it's called Jam this week, if I remember rightly. And remember your speedy sounds, your red words and story green words as well as your story. Boys and girls, give yourself a huge round of applause for all your hard work with your first set 2 sound this week. And I will see you tomorrow for Build a Sentence. Bye, boys and girls. Have a nice day.